a bobcat, with double trouble, twins. Her kittens are just a few weeks old and totally dependent on her milk. Mom needs to feed them 4 times a day. And to do that, she urgently needs water. Unlike the ant colony, she doesn't have a store to fall back on. So she must leave her family and venture out alone. This land hasn't received a drop of rain in 2 long months. She's got her work cut out. The survival of her kittens depends on her. Rain. The storm doesn't last long, but it's enough. A bobcat will gulp water for 5 minutes straight. The tiny kittens are anxiously waiting for Mom's return. About time, too. Now, they can get a drink at last. Fully revived, they're back to what they do best. What little they know of the dangers of the desert.